I initially just at home started out and was feeling just a bit off and a little achy and no temperature or anything. And then all of a sudden the aches picked up extremely bad. Like nothing, it's not just like a fever ache, just a lot of pain. And it lasted a total about 13 days at home. And I started getting a little bit of this crackling in my chest. And then I started picking up a fever. And then I actually had gone through a test. I tested for COVID and came back negative. And I just kept getting sicker and sicker. And then I eventually ended up at an urgent care clinic where they tested me, and I ended up testing positive. They gave me some different antibiotics, and they knew it wouldn't fix it, but just to help me feel a little more comfortable, and sent me home. But then within a couple days, I could hardly breathe. And so I was admitted. I went to Iowa or Methodist at West, and then they moved me downtown.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, you sound like you're having some issues right now just talking.
Yeah, it's had better. Even a day ago, I wouldn't have been able to even remotely have a conversation. But it's definitely baby steps, but they're the steps in the right direction.
When is the last time you've seen your family in person?
I got here last Thursday, and that was it. I got to the hospital at 4:30 in the morning, and I haven't seen him since. We've done our video calls, but it's breaking my heart a little bit. I really miss him. I just did the basics. My husband and I had just started doing outdoor date nights just to start to resemble a life a little bit again. But other than that, I mean, I wore my mask.
Okay.
I wouldn't have ever sworn by it like I do now. But at this point, I feel like we wash our hands to stay healthy. If you wear a mask, even if it doesn't keep everything away, it doesn't protect everybody. If it's even a littlest bit of help that it's doing, it's worth it. I'm not a super political person. I know there's so much of it wrapped up in that. I've lived it, and I don't know. I feel like it's out of my control. I can't. I want to help my kids. I want to help my husband. I want to help my parents, my sister. I don't want them to be sick. And so if even just talking about it a little bit here and there gets people understanding that it's your job to help keep people safe. It's your job to keep yourself safe. That it's just something you can do to help other people. It's kind. It's just the right thing to do.